Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Betterment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Betterment, first, visit the Betterment website. Click on the Get Started button. You will need to create an account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Once your account is created, provide some personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Next, answer a few questions about your financial goals. Betterment uses these answers to tailor your investment strategy. Then, you will need to link your bank account to start funding your Betterment account. Provide your bank details for a secure connection. After linking your bank account, choose how much money you want to invest initially. You can start with as little as $1. Next, review your investment options based on your risk tolerance and goals. Betterment will automatically suggest an investment portfolio that suits you. If you're comfortable with the suggested portfolio, click Continue to proceed. You can also customize your investments if you prefer more control. Once you've finalized your investment preferences, review the terms and conditions. After confirming the details, you're ready to complete your first investment. Click Finish to submit your investment plan to Betterment. Your account will then begin to grow, managed by Betterment's algorithms. Check your account regularly to monitor your investments. Familiarize yourself with the app or website to better understand your portfolio. As your investments grow, Betterment will automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep it aligned with your goals. Additionally, you'll receive regular updates and resources to help you stay informed. Continue to educate yourself about investing to make better financial decisions. That's it, you're now set to invest with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.